Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mini One. This is a 2007 and we're just gonna have a quick look at the location of the fuses. So looking at the manual here, we have fuses in the engine compartment, and then so these are on the right hand side once you open the bonnet, and then we have fuses in the passenger compartment on the right hand side of the footwell. The only thing is that this here in the UK is on the driver's side rather than the passenger side. So we're gonna have a look at that. It's only the two fuse boxes. So if we get this is an R56. Get the bonnet open and we go here to the right hand side. We have that box. So we just want to press on the tabs on the sides to release it, and that's where the fuse box is. Behind that cover you will find a list of the fuses and what they are for. So this is actually this way round. We have a look at that. Now these here are relays and relays. These three relays are for the wiper blades. Two of them are for the wiper blades, the other one is for the engine. And then we have fuses along here, which will be these ones here. But just remember, not every fuse will be there, as it just depends on the car's equipment. So in this particular one I have the ABS fuse 40 amp, it's this one here. Then I have the 50 amp, which is the radiator fan, and then these other two are not there. And then we have the 30 amp fuse here at the top. Then we have these other fuses here, and again that will relate to fuse between F1 to F10 there. So a lot of them are engine, ABS, number F6 there, and then engine, and then F8 showing radiator fan, F9 wiper blades, and then we have another engine related fuse there. So that's basically how we can have a look at that. So then we can just fit the cover back in and plug it in there, and then we can have a look at the fuses inside of the car. So you may need a light for this. So down here next to the pedals there we have that cover. If we open this cover, it will reveal all the fuses and also relay there and another relay on the side. And this is the list of the fuses. And the way I'm holding this is basically how you would look for a fuse. So basically, alright, let's have a look at that a little bit. Okay, so if you're looking at this list of fuses here, those will relate to these ones here. And again, not every fuse will be there. Then we have the next line of fuses that goes all the way down to you can see down here these two at the end here are 40 amp fuses. You can just about see that 40 amp, which are these two orange ones, 40 amp fuses. I can see those are for, one is for start stop facility, the other one is for side lights, headlights, I think. And well, that's it really. That's what basically, that's how we can look at it. So if you're looking for another one, I don't know, a radio fuse, that one there is the radio, F6 there, fuse 20 amp F6. So you have numbers here as well. So that yellow one there will be that one there is a 20 amp fuse, and that is for the radio. So that's pretty much it really. That's how you can find the fuses on your Mini One. So for now, I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.